The easiest way to turn on airplane mode on your Android phone is to do it through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner, and depending on your phone model and settings, sometimes you'll need to swipe down again to see the full list of settings. Depending on what type of phone you have, the quick settings might look a little different on different phones, but usually you'll see a button here for airplane mode. If you don't see a button for airplane mode, tap a little pencil icon to edit your quick settings. Any button that isn't already included in your panel will be listed in the Available Buttons section on the bottom. Once you turn on airplane mode, your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will often automatically turn off. Once airplane mode has been activated, you can safely turn both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi back on. And the nice thing is that after manually toggling them back on, your phone will memorize your preference for keeping those on while you're on airplane mode, and you won't have to do it again next time. If I go back and turn off my airplane mode, and then turn it back on, you'll see how this time my Bluetooth does not turn off. So, cool little feature there for those who like to connect to the plane's Wi-Fi or use Bluetooth headphones during their flights. You can also access airplane mode through your settings. I'll go Settings, and then under Connections, there's a menu for airplane mode. On some Android phones, you'll find this under Settings and Network and Internet. So, that's where you'll find the airplane mode toggle. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.